All right, what's going on, guys? We're here with another one of our videos. So today we are going to check out Mooresville Bike Night, downtown Mooresville. We got some guys that are familiar with the channel with us. So let me flip it around here. We got the Infinite Rider on his Dyna. Of course, he's directing traffic. He's trying to get it right. We got AC Jacobs looking like he's fresh out of with the black and white on.
Oh yeah, it's straight back road from here, 37 minutes.
All right, so we're gonna get to it, y'all. All right, guys, we made it to Mooresville Bike Night. They do it every third Thursday I forgot the dates, but it's pretty cool. They have a car and bike show. We're on the main street, so we're gonna go ahead and get after it and take a look at some of these nice, beautiful bikes and cars.
Soul. I ain't someone you bring to mama's house. Do you believe? Do you believe when I say time is so thief and love is so grief and all you will ever see me do is acting like the man you'll never understand. But baby, don't leave. Baby, don't leave. Save me. Save me. You gotta save me. Save me. Save me. You gotta save me. Save me. Save me. I've got these demons going on inside. Your love is the only way to satisfy. Show me the road where I see the light. Do you believe? Do you believe when I say no medication, no meditation will ever work like you do? Save me, save me. You gotta save me, save me, save me. You gotta save me, save me, save me, save me, save me. You gotta save me, save me, save me, you gotta save me, save me, save me.
So we have made it. The area that you've seen before this was parking, not quite, I guess maybe overflow, but we made it to where the street is blocked off. They have lots of vendors, they have food. Yeah, Alvin C. Jacobs, he lost him probably about 40 minutes, 40 minutes ago. But yeah, man, we're gonna keep after it and just enjoy the time.
That's a video. The day Zena died, I think I had 36
What do I do? That's a camera.
Wanna wave?
Wake up.
guys, we had a good time. Hope y'all enjoyed those videos, those clips, those beautiful bikes. People put time and money into those machines. Everybody's bike is different. It's different tastes, as in everybody has a different taste. So I enjoyed it. It was pretty cool. Would definitely come back. They don't do this every week. Like I said, it's every Thursday, every third Thursday of the month. I don't know when the last one is, but we may try to catch that one. But till then, we'll catch you guys on the next video. All right, peace.